Let us take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments. You can also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's start with our trend first. If you take a look at this right here, you can clearly see the trend on our GBP USD. You can clearly see that the trend on GBP USD is clearly on a downtrend move, right? Now, there is a series of lower low and a lower high playing out. So with this movement right here, we should expect market to give us a rejection and drop. So basically, for on Monday, we should expect a bearish move, right, on our GBP USD. So GBP USD will give us a bearish move. Remember, in the long run, it will eventually go to break above it and continue to push up. So in the long run, GBP USD will give us a bullish move. Have that in mind. But right now, which is for Monday only, we should expect a reaction from this level that will make market to drop at least to a level of 1.35430. That is what we should be targeting. 1.35430. So this is where we should be targeting for the week, for the day. 1.35430. If GBP can drop to level 1.35430, I'll then give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next on GBP USD.